Hello everyone. I hope this day finds you extremely well. It happens to be a Tuesday. Not sure when you will be popping in to watch this video, but I'm saying hey and thank you for pressing play. Anyway, aside from that, I wanted to share with you guys my results or my update on this current twist out situation I've got going here. Over the past few months, I have been super pushing my newest product, which is the Cocoa Mango Twist and Go Cream, which I love. Like, that twisting cream is bae. But I wanted to kind of take a stroll back down to some of my tried and true favorite twisting products, which would happen to be our our SexeShea and Cocoa Coiling Custard. This was my original twisting styling product, and it is the one that is still bae, I just must say. So I twisted my hair at 7-ish. No, it wasn't. It was 6:06 or so in the morning on Sunday because we had family pictures to take Sunday evening. So I twisted my hair up early in the morning. I did not wash my hair. I spritzed my hair with my avocado oil and water like I usually do, and then I went back in with my No More Drama detangling leave-in conditioner, which is also bae. Like, yes. Yeah. Went in with that to kind of set my hair, to prepare my hair for styling. Then I followed up with the Sexy Shea butter in sections, and then I did some flat twist. I'll be sure and show y'all the process. I'll pop in with some I'll show you the pattern that I used and all of that. But I used the Sexy Shea and Cocoa Coiling Custard as my primary twisting product this time. And y'all, again, I did that on Sunday. I took my twist down about 2:30 because we were supposed to meet at 4:30. So I took my hair down while doing my makeup and all that stuff. And these are my twists on Tuesday at 11:15-ish. If you can tell, I still have amazing definition. My hair feels so good. I have legit been doing this to folks. Y'all feel my hair? Feel my hair? Doesn't it feel good? Because it's not crunchy. It doesn't feel hard at all. I can get my hands in there. I can literally finger separate the sections, and they fluff and they feel really good. I did retwist the back section simply because I sweat at night, and I realized the longer my hair is getting, yay, come on through growth, the less I am able to not retwist. If I want to keep the definition and it not be fuzzy, I do have to do some light retwisting. I know, y'all know how I hate to wrap and retwist and all that, but it's minimal. Yeah, so that's what's been going on. So these are 3-day twists, flat twists with the Sexy Shea and Cocoa Coiling Custard. I love this product. It's a really easy to manage, easy to manipulate. Again, it is non-dry. I don't have any buildup. I did not have any buildup. My hair feels amazing. It's soft. It's shiny. Yeah, I love it. And I am totally sure that this hair will last me through the rest of this week. I have no concerns that my hair is going to last through the week. The most I might have to do is maybe, do my little twist that I do on the sides, but that is the extent of what I plan on doing for my hair this week, and I love it. I love it. So if you want to try something different, if you've been playing with the line, if you've been thinking about a product to try, the Sexy Shea and Cocoa Coiling Custard is an awesome addition to your line. It pairs well with other products. If you are not an exclusive Elegance by Design customer, that's okay. This product is going to definitely work and play well with your other products. If you're wanting to do wash and goes for young kids who are doing like the braid out styles and things like that, if you're doing ponytails, this product is really good for that. You can do the ponytails on Sunday and say you want to do something cute for them on the end of the week. You can wear your hair down, take your twist down. Thursday or Friday, you'll undo those ponytails for that baby, and yes, she's gonna be cute. Whip your hair back and forth, whip your hair back and forth. That will be your baby come Friday. So yeah, if you have any questions, please slide into my DMs, send me a message, whatever it is you need to know. I'm happy to help you. Go on and slide over to elegancebydesign.com and get you that Sexy Shea and Cocoa Coiling Custard. Y'all have a great day. Talk to you soon.